Hello everyone, today's topic is the recent US-Iran peace deal and its impact on India. After months of tensions and conflict, the United States and Iran have reached a preliminary agreement aimed at ending enmity and reopening the strategically important Strait of Hormuz. The main objective of this deal is to reduce tensions and avoid further conflicts in West Asia, that is Middle East. Key provisions: ceasefire between both sides, reopening of the Strait of Hormuz, continued diplomatic negotiations, and focusing on regional security and stability. Why is everyone talking about it? Because global oil prices are affected. Strait of Hormuz is reopened. It impacts on world economy, major benefits for India, and it creates important geopolitical event. Strait of Hormuz. It is one of the world's most important oil route. A large share of global oil trade passes through this narrow waterway. It is a narrow sea passage between Iran and Oman. It connects Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. Whenever tensions rise in this region, oil prices increases and global markets become unstable. What are its impacts on India? India imports most of its crude oil. If peace continues and oil prices remain stable, India's import bill can reduce. It reduces inflation because lower oil prices can reduce transportation and fuel costs, which may ease inflation. This leads to stronger economy. It also improves India's investment in Iran, especially strategic Chabahar port. Thank you for watching and subscribe Asparika Hub.